Have you ever looked into your cat's eyes and wondered, what do they see when they look back at you? You toss them a bright red toy. They stare at it, uninterested. But when you pull out a gray mouse or a blue string, suddenly it's game on. So you start to wonder, can cats see color? Or are they living in a world of black and white? Let's take a deep dive into the science of feline vision and uncover what your cat really sees. The truth might surprise you. Do cats see the world in black and white? Let's bust this myth right away. No, cats do not see the world in black and white. They can see colors, but not in the same way humans do. Cats have a more limited color spectrum than we do. While humans are trichromatic, meaning we see red, blue, and green, cats are dichromatic. That means they primarily see shades of blue and green. So what does that mean for your cat? They probably can't distinguish between reds, oranges, and pinks. These colors might look more like gray or brownish tones to them. It's not that they're colorblind. It's just that their color perception is simpler and more muted than ours. Why cats see colors differently? It all comes down to how their eyes are built. Inside the eye are two types of photoreceptor cells, rods and cones. Cones are responsible for detecting color. Rods help with motion detection and night vision. Humans have more cone cells than cats. That's why we see a full range of vibrant colors. But cats have far more rod cells. This gives them superior night vision and the ability to see in low light. So while we see the world in rich, full color, cats are more focused on movement, shapes, and contrast, especially in dim conditions. Their eyes are built for hunting at dawn and dusk, not admiring sunsets. What colors can cats actually see? Here's what we know based on scientific studies. Cats see the world in a range of blues, grays, yellows, and muted greens. Colors like red, pink, and orange are outside of their visual range. They may appear as dull or grayish to your cat. So that bright red ball? It might look pretty boring to them, but a blue feather toy? That might just be their favorite thing ever. How color impacts your cat's behavior. Now that we know cats see certain colors better than others, let's talk about how it impacts their daily life. Playtime. Cats are more likely to engage with toys in blue or green hues since they can see those colors clearly. Try swapping out red toys for something blue or yellow. You might notice a big difference. Food dishes and bowls. Choosing bowls with more contrast, like blue or gray against a light background, can help your cat see their food better. It may even reduce messes or picky behavior. Outdoor safety. Cats that go outside may rely less on color and more on motion and contrast to spot prey or avoid danger. That's why their vision works best in the early morning or evening hours. Their world is designed for survival, not style. Can you test your cat's color preferences? Absolutely. Try this fun experiment at home. Lay out two toys, one red and one blue. See which one your cat goes to first. Do this over several days, switching the positions each time. If your cat consistently picks the blue toy, that's a good sign they can distinguish between the two. Remember, every cat is different. Some rely more on scent, texture, or movement than color, but it's still fascinating to learn how they interact with the world. Final verdict, can cats see color? So can cats see color? Yes, but with limitations. Cats don't live in a black and white world, but their color vision is less vibrant and more focused on blue and green shades. They don't see the full rainbow like we do, but they don't need to. Their eyes are specialized for hunting, tracking motion, and surviving in low light. Color takes a backseat to survival. Understanding your cat's vision helps you better connect with them, from choosing the right toys to appreciating the way they move through their world. Because the more we understand our cats, the more we can love and care for them in the ways that truly matter.